This is my first video which I'm covering for Malta. One of the reasons to cover Malta is because some of you guys are asking about low skill jobs with visa sponsorship, which is almost impossible in the UK as UK has strict rules regarding the point-based system. Hence, the UK may not be a good country for you to target and get disappointed. Rather, you should divert your search to another European country where you can get visa sponsorship for all kinds of jobs. However, top 5 most demand sectors in Malta is tourism sector, where you can get visa sponsorship jobs for waiters, waitresses, cleaners, delivery jobs and chefs. Number 2 is finance, number 3 is IT, and number 4 is healthcare, and the last is gaming industry. In fact, this is the best country where there's a good balance between low skill and high skill. So irrespective of whichever category you belong to, there are plenty of jobs for you if you want to migrate to Malta. There are people who have managed to find visa sponsorship job with no degree. They are just 12 passed from India and got job in the tourism industry. So if you want to know how to apply for jobs directly from India or Pakistan or Nigeria or any part of the world, make sure to watch the video till the end. My agenda is to let you know 3 methods to find a job in Malta. Agenda 2 is to cover the top 5 job sites of Malta, and agenda 3 is to tell you about 80 registered recruitment agencies who can help you get your dream job with a demo. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. I'm available on other social handles like Instagram. So if you guys want to connect with me on Instagram, my ID is Your Knowledge Buddy, where I do post more updates frequently as compared to YouTube. So make sure to come and say hello to me. And if you wish to book my one-to-one consultation, you can also do that via the link provided in my video description and in my pinned comment. So without any further delay, let's begin with today's topic. Agenda 1, 3 different ways to find a job. So to find a job in any country, not only in Malta, you can follow this method. So the first method is the most popular, which is via different job sites. Each country got its website, and there are few job sites which are global like LinkedIn, Reed and Indeed. So almost all the companies and the recruiters will advertise the job openings on these job sites. The second method is to apply jobs directly to the company's career portal. Say if you know your top 10 or 20 favorite companies, just Google their careers page and keep checking for your job role. In fact, what I do, I follow my favorite companies on LinkedIn to see the job notification, but I'll go and apply on the company's career portal and not via LinkedIn, as it gives you the ability to upload your cover letter, to make your sales pitch and personalize your application. Third method is to apply via recruitment agency who advertise jobs on behalf of hiring companies, and they have good tie-ups with almost all the companies in any country. Now, before I move to my agenda 2, I want to introduce you guys to the Flexi Spot standing desk, which I have been using for roughly 2 weeks now, since most of us work from home majority of the time, and I also do longer hours as I'm working full time, and I also make YouTube videos. So I think if I share my experience regarding using Flexi Spot E7, it will help you guys as well. So this is the first time ever I'm using a height adjustable desk, which means you can adjust the table height as per your requirement. Using their control panel, you can just use this up and down arrow to adjust the height of the worktop to the nearest millimeter. So you have the option to sit or stand and work as per your need. For me, I can stand and attend meetings to stretch my muscles during my office hours. Few other things which I like are the huge working space where I can fit my so many things like big monitor of size of 49-inch, CPU, speaker, printer, etc. Also, it's quite robust, meaning it can take up to a weight of 125 kilos. In terms of price and warranty, it offers better rate as compared to its competitor, and it was easy to operate and assemble. You can use the link from my video description, and you can avail their 33% off as part of their winter sale, which ends on 28th of Feb. Now, let's quickly move to agenda 2, list of job sites which you should use to find job in Malta. So number 1 is Keep Me Posted. Number 2 is Connect. Number 3 is Malta Park. Number 4 is Indeed. And number 5 is LinkedIn. Agenda 3, list of registered recruitment agencies. So there are many recruitment agencies in Malta who can help you find a job. But which agency should you use? First is maltarecruiting.com, and this is the best agency for you to begin with. And the second is go to dire.government.mt empty, where the government registered recruitment agencies are listed. As of today, there are around 80 agencies who are listed here. So let's have a quick demo for agenda 2 and 3. The first website is Keep Me Posted. So once you log in, you will see this page, which is called My Profile. Under that, you will be asked to select your job categories. First of all, make sure you tick this, which is about email notification, so that you get notification whenever a new job is posted regarding your field. And then select your full-time, because if you require a visa sponsorship, you need a full-time job. And here you can see the list of job categories, which is huge here. For my demo, I'm just going to use construction, customer service, driver, just to show you, and just make sure go and save your changes. Once done, your profile is updated, and then simply click on Find a Job. Once you click on Find a Job, you can see all the jobs here. Now you have again filter categories. You can select any of the filter as you wish, and then based on your filter, you can start looking for the job. So here you see, if you browse, you can see there are plenty of jobs here. So for this demo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open accounting and tax services, which I mentioned is in huge demand in Malta. And here are the duties. So if you think you are an auditor, you can perform this job, you can apply. What I have seen, like in UK, they also need someone with ACCA qualification, someone with 3 years of experience. So people who are not getting lucky in the UK, I will say give a try. You can simply click on Apply Now. Now, let's quickly move to the next website, which is Connect. Once you log in with your ID, again, you will see this filter here. So I'm going to say always select full-time because you require a visa sponsorship. In job level for this demo, I'm going to use experience. So based on my filter in Malta here, you can see, I can see there are 112 jobs which are available. So go and check this out, read the job description. If you're right candidate, make sure you apply. I have opened this job, which is business development manager, because I know in the UK getting a visa sponsorship job for a business development manager is not that easy. So here you can read the job description, and if you think you are the right candidate, you can simply click on Apply Now with your full details. Now let's move to the next one, which is Malta part. So here you can see the job icon, and then with this you see browse all the jobs, or you can select your specific industry. So here I've just opened all the jobs, where you can see all the jobs here. You can say electrician, they need a car cleaner, they need a delivery driver, salesperson, truck and trailer driver, and many more like that. So always read the job description. For example, this is construction to finishing, and here you can see they're looking for so many jobs. So you can apply here if you think you are the right candidate, or you can even share. So now moving to the next one, which is the fourth, Indeed. Here you need to give the country like Malta, and then give the job title. It can be chef, it can be delivery person, or anything, and then read the job description, which you will see here based on the result, and then you can simply apply, which will take you to the company website. Fifth and the last is LinkedIn. As you know, I have already given so many demos on LinkedIn. You know, this is the job icon. So just write here Malta and give the job role. So it can be chef or any other role. Read the job description and you can simply apply from here. Now, demo of agenda 3, which is the recruitment agency. So the first one is maltarecruiting.com. Once you log in, here you see find a job. Here you can see list of all the job categories, and you can start applying based on your job. So for this demo, I'm going to use cleaner. If I click on cleaner, I'll be taken to this details page, where you can read the roles and responsibilities, which is of a cleaner. And at the bottom, very important, you will have to upload all your documents here, like your identification, your passport, your personal information, and your work, for what position you're applying for, what skills, highest education level, years of experience. And the ones which are marked in asterisk is a mandatory field, and the ones which are not is not mandatory. Like driving license is not a mandatory to apply. And the attachments, like you have to provide your CV, your identity card, your passport, driving license is optional, and your education certificate is important, your work certificate is important, and criminal record. Make sure you apply and upload, and you can submit your application. Now, let's quickly move to the next one. So this is the deargovernment.mt. Here, what you have to do, go to industrial relations, click on employment agencies, and here list of employment agencies, which I have already done. I have opened it here, and I can see there are around 80 registered recruitment agencies in Malta who can help you get a job with visa sponsorship. The best news is that on the last column, they have the list of all the email ID. So what you should be doing is copy paste all this email ID and send one email to everyone in BCC, not in two. and then attach your CV and cover letter and tell them about your qualifications, your experience, why you're the right candidate, why you want to move to Malta, and try to sell your profile. So that's all for the demo, guys. So I hope this demo is useful. Before I wrap this video, I'll give you a few of my suggestions. Number one, criminal record is a mandatory document in most of the job sites, and hence, if possible, keep this ready. Number two, always use cover letter to personalize your application. And number three, CV should be in correct Europass format. If you don't know how to create a Europass CV, you can watch from my previous demo, which I did a couple of months back. So on that note, good luck to everyone who is looking to apply for a job in Malta. And if you want me to make more detailed video regarding Malta, make sure to comment below. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.